Do we ever discuss the savagery of Jordan Brand having an entire colorway dedicated to the losing team he beat in 1982? Like, they have to relive that loss every single drop. I think I underestimated just how much I would actually love this Air Jordan 6. First, it's pretty straightforward. We have an entire suede upper done in the gray colorway, very reminiscent of Georgetown. You have navy accents, however, on the back heel spoiler or tab, on the lace lock, and then also along the midsole in the back where you just saw the Jumpman logo and Air. Officially, Jordan is calling this colorway Magnet. I still think of it as gray, but okay, we'll go with Magnet in college navy. We have the icy blue outer sole, also mixed in with gray, and college navy for the Jumpman. You see the fitted, so it should make sense why I'm extremely biased. Thank you, Lids and Lids Hat Drop, for sending over the classic camel collection fitted. This is one beautiful hat. I can't wait to wear this as soon as my hair is straight soon. But it's beautiful. Again, camel crown, navy brim, green undervisor. But as you can see, again, it's a size 7, so soon enough, it will be worn over and over again. Now for sizing, I chose to go up a half size for the Jordan 6. I've done that lately in any Jordan 6 I've picked up, and it really helps with the fit for me. So if going true to size works for you, by all means do that. I like the extra room in the toe box. I'm wearing thicker socks here as well. Now, in terms of comfort, I actually give these like a 7.5 out of 10. Now it only has a polyurethane midsole, so it's nothing special. It's nothing to write home about, but it is comfortable, and hopefully you guys enjoy the variation of pants worn for this on foot.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take the
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back. Another video on Talks with TJ, and finally the Air Jordan 6 Yankees. Yes, my petty self is calling it that. Not because I have anything against Georgetown. Listen, I actually had a deeper connection to Georgetown than I've ever had before. Shout out to my godbrother, because he was actually on the coaching staff for the Georgetown men's baseball team. And when I tell you I'm so proud of him, just for the name and the reputation, the resume he's building for himself within Division I baseball, it's amazing. So proud of him. And he's actually moved on to a different college now, so he's continuing to just go to amazing heights. And again, I'm really proud of him. But he was at Georgetown, so of course Georgetown pairs dropping, they held a little special feeling, you know, within my heart. Not like Michigan does, and we're both Michigan fans, but they definitely held something special in my heart. So I didn't go for the 85 just because I was actually trying to get that for my goddad. I believe I shared that here on the channel, but I love the 85 Georgetown. And then they announced the Georgetown 6 would drop. I wanted it from the start, but when I tell you I am blown away by these, I actually think this is one of my favorite pickups of all of 2022. Listen, collabs and everything else, like, this will truly stand on its own for me. I just think they did an amazing job. And I get on Jordan Brand a lot. I criticize them a lot when it comes to the quality we get on GS releases. But you know what? Hats off to Jordan Brand on these, because you did not disappoint. You did an amazing job. Now, I didn't show the box because it's that very boring black and gold Jordan grade school box, so we didn't go over the box, but we went over this pair, and I love it. Like, I can't say enough about it. Now, when I say it's a Yankee 6, you guys know this. I am biased. Like, listen, the shirt on, and all right, shout out to Aaron Judge making history. Because as of right now, when I'm filming this, he's tied Roger Maris, which is also one of my favorite Yankees too of all time. He tied Roger Maris, 61 home runs in a season. The amount of things we're witnessing is in sports, like, it's special. Like, sports is just, it's unmatched. It really is. It's unmatched. Just the energy around, you know, even competitors being so proud of what he's achieved. It really does give me the same feel of when Steph Curry broke the 3-point field goal record, of the amount of excitement that everybody in the league had for him. And the same for Judge breaking, well, I won't say breaking, but matching the home run record. I have full faith, though, that he'll go ahead and he'll see 62 this year, and who knows where that stops. But it's really special as a Yankees fan, and it's a special time in sports. But for me, when you think of Yankees, especially our away jerseys, not our home jerseys, we're in pinstripes, but when you think of our away jerseys, don't you think of these? Come on now. Now, I get it too. Allen Iverson, love him dearly. Okay, when I think of Hoyas, I think of him quite personally. So I get it. People, if you're breaking out your Allen Iverson Georgetown jersey, do that. It looks amazing with this shoe. But for me, my very biased heart, I see Yankees. And so that's why I continue to jokingly call it the Air Jordan 6 Yankees. But with all that being said, I'll go ahead and show you guys 4 ways I will rock these. But trust me, because it's also predominantly gray suede, I can wear this with so much during the fall season. Let's start on the far right, rocking the Minnesota Lynx, Sylvia Fowles, the legend, her jersey, and the Richie Lee Collection ripstop cargo pants in a size medium. I absolutely love these pants and the way they open up on the top of sneakers. For the second look, truly a fit for the ball game. Now, I know someone will comment, well, they don't have the names on the back of the jerseys. Yeah, they do for kids' jerseys, and this is a kid's jersey. I'm rocking A-Rod. I have a throwback Nike Yankee snapback hat, the Fear of God 7th Collection Vintage Navy sweats, and you guys are able to see the Legacy socks in white. In the third look, my Hall of Fame, the captain, our forever captain, Derek Jeter shirt. Shout out to him going to Cooperstown. My Culture Kings camel, I guess I could call it that, camel colorway, Yankees hoodie, and then another fitted sent over by Lids, and the Jordan Women's Essential sweat shorts. So I'm actually wearing these in a size medium. I love this shade of blue. I think it really brings out the gray and navy blue featured in the Jordan 6. To finish out on the far right, now this is probably a little less conventional than the other looks because it's really business casual. It's more dressed up, but I love it. So these slacks are from Zara. I actually had them tailored and taken in at the waist for the perfect customized fit. This throwback Yankees crew neck, it actually has cut off sleeves. I found this on eBay, one of the best finds I've had in the last year. And then the H&M wool coat. So here you go, 4 different looks representing the WNBA, the Yankees, and my style. What more needs to be said? Now, I saw online people said, hey, some of you might regret passing on the Midnight Navy 6 to get the Georgetown 6. Yeah, no, absolutely not. Like, I would much rather every day of the week have this over the Midnight Navy 6, and I could have easily walked in. Matter of fact, I could have got that on discount thanks to a friend, and I didn't want that. But this here, this one right here, I love it. So listen, I appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. I bought this when it dropped on September 3rd, and not only was I not home, there were other things that I tried to get out and get released onto the channel, and I appreciate the support on any of those videos you guys may have watched. A little bit of a news update for the social status Nike Air Penny 2 Playground. It's officially pushed back to October 13th, I believe. So you now have a little bit more time to enter. And yeah, that is pushed back. We're seeing other releases push back as well. Not anything you as a consumer can do about it other than, you know, kind of wait. If you choose to go after something else, then by all means, go after something else. For myself, I will just give you an update. No, I actually did not pick up anything from the Fear of God Essentials Fall Winter Part 2 drop. I did not. I know, shocker. Brace yourself. I didn't pick up anything. I think we forget I've already paid quite a bit for 7 collection. I had those pants come in from Feature. I ordered pants off Essence last minute before I left out of town. So I think I'm good there. I am still chasing the Dodger, the SB Dodger SB Dunk Low. So if I get that, I will let you guys know. Otherwise, I have a few other things to show you guys on the channel. Go through all of the items the Jordan Women's Apparel team sent me, and then we'll carry on with whatever content is planned. I appreciate you as always. Act your age, not your shoe size. And I need Michigan to win today. Go Blue. Peace.